OpenAI just scored a major Pentagon deal while Anthropic gets booted. This is AI power play at its rawest. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Monday, March 2nd, 2026. Anthropic was ousted from the Pentagon's classified network, labeled a supply chain risk under Trump. OpenAI stepped in, signing a deal with strict limits on surveillance and autonomous weapons. Meanwhile, Anthropic's Claude AI reportedly still fuels Iranian strikes, stirring consumer backlash and spikes in app downloads. $110 billion poured into OpenAI this round, boosting its valuation to a staggering $730 billion. Amazon led with $50 billion, Nvidia and SoftBank added $30 billion each. Microsoft sat out but stays close. ChatGPT users surge past 900 million weekly. This is massive. OpenAI co-founder Andrej Karpathy dropped a bombshell. Traditional programming is vanishing. AI tools are rewriting how code is made and maintained. This signals a seismic shift in software development, and the developer workforce influenced by AI's march. Perplexity AI open-sourced cutting-edge embedding models that beat out Google and Alibaba. These new models slash storage needs and boost web-scale retrieval, democratizing access to top-tier AI tech and shaking up the search and retrieval game. Block slash nearly 40% of its workforce, letting go of over 4,000 employees. CEO Jack Dorsey pointed straight at AI's disruptive power-changing jobs. Interestingly, the stock jumped over 20%, signaling investor confidence despite the cuts. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about what does this mean for AI control. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.